with that purpose. Let me take this across now to our correspondent on the ground. Kumar Kunal is joining us with the latest updates on this. Kumar, good morning. All the new ministers, the new faces, everyone who's been given additional charge, they'll be taking charge through the day today. And this evening, we understand, there's going to be a very important meeting with the Prime Minister, the first cabinet meeting with this new cabinet.
Yeah, and you have already told us that how many takeaways are from the recent raising of the cabinet ministers, but there are a few more what is there in my mind. This is for the first time any reshuffle is happening, and this is not a small reshuffle, it's a big reshuffle. Not just the change of the faces is happening, but the change of hands in important ministry is also happening, and that's why this raising is quite important from the government point of view. And not to mention that government has just completed almost half of its term, and half of the term is remaining. So there are some important course corrections which are required, and obviously those who were not performing, they have been removed and new faces are being included. And those new faces, many of them do not have any significance experience about running the government. For example, although there are several IAS officers, but they don't have much political experience behind them. So there is some interesting portfolio distributions as well. So apart from 3-4 core ministers like Defense Minister, Home Minister, Finance Ministry, all the ministries almost have changed the hand, and that's why it is important, because new and fresh idea is always welcome in the government led by the Narendra Modi, and it is now the onus on the new ministers to provide new ideas, to provide innovative ideas, and to take the government further in next 2.5 years.
Absolutely. Kumar, thank you for joining us with